How to download an audio message from Facebook Messenger. Start by opening up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the Messenger icon. You will then be taken to the Facebook Messenger app. Here, you can view all your chats with friends. Now, open any chat from here. As you can see, an audio message has been shared in this chat. Tap to open the MP3 file. Then, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. Tap on Open in External Browser. You will then be taken to this page on Safari. Tap on Download. The audio message has now successfully been downloaded to your device. Go to Downloads and open the audio file to listen to it. Following these steps, you can easily download an audio message from Facebook Messenger.